I hereby forward my nominee, Dr. Caroline Wanjiru Karugu, for the purposes of vetting and approval by the County Assembly for the position of Deputy Governor.
Thutha wa kaunti ya Nyeri gukorwo itari na munini wa gavana kwa ihinda kumana na gikuo kia gavana ndagitari wa homega kuru. Riu Caroline Wanjiru Karugu ni amuritwo gutuika munini wa gavana Mutahi Kahiga uria woire ithenya ria wa home wa gakuru.
The nominee meets all the requirements provided for in the Constitution, the Leadership and Integrity Act, the Elections Act, and the County Governments Act. Her resume and copies of all relevant documents are hereby attached. I look forward for your speedy consideration and conclusion of the matter.
Wanjiru Karugu agukorwo ari mutumia wa mbere gutuika munini wa gavana kaunti-ini ya Nyeri. Makiaria thutha wa rianirira riri, ambunge a kaunti ya Nyeri ni magathiriirie kwamurwo gwa Karugu makiuga ni mutumia wikio mirutire-ini yake ya wira. Karugu uria ica ikuhe urathurirwo ni mutongoria wa bururi ta umwe wa director board-ini ya ukuria wa thitima. Ari timu-ini ya kambeni ya gakuru ari ta umwe wa atari ake. Kwa ihinda riri Karugu niwe murugamiriri wa Jabari Microserve Limited iria ni ruhonge rwa Jitegeme Trust. Oho Karugu ni arutite wira thoko-ini ya wendia wa shares niyo Nairobi Stock Exchange. Itacukia ria Ngavana Kahiga riukite mieri minini thutha wa igoti kuheana mwerekera na kuga ati gavana wothe ari na wiyathi wa kuyamurira munini wake angikua kana atige wira na kuyendera gwake. Hari itua riao majaji ya igoti ni maugite ati ithenya riria riatigwo ni munini wa gavana ritingiyurio kuhitukira githurano na uguo kuhe magavana kamweke ga kuyamurira. Kwa ihinda riri kaunti ya Nairobi niyo itigitwe itari na munini wa gavana thutha wa Polycarp Igathe uria wari munini wa gavana Mike Sonko gutiga wira. Riu kiria gitigarite ni guthurimwo gwa Karugu ni mbunge ya Nyeri na wona hetukio ni mbunge yo egwatire giturwa kia munini wa gavana. Ica ikuhe Mutahi Kahiga ni araugite ati mihango ya guthura munini wake irabatara uigiririki munene.
Still in consultations, and you people don't want to rush me and I make a mistake. You really would want to give me time to consult, to do a lot of consultation with quite a number of segments and divisions of people.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Ritwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.